So we'll start with rolling contact bearings. Let us first see the designation of rolling contact bearings. The bearings are designated by either 3, 4, or 5-digit numbers. So you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. The bearings are either designated by 3, 4, or 5 numbers. So if you see here that a bearing, specifically, you can see there is a bore diameter, there's outside diameter, there is width. So the specific three terms that can be known from the bearing designation is bearing type, whether which type of bearing it is, the bearing series, and the bore diameter. If we talk about bearing type, then 0 indicates double row angular contact ball bearings. 1 indicates self-aligning ball bearings. 2 indicates spherical roller bearings and spherical thrust bearings. 3 indicates taper roller bearings. 4 indicates double row deep groove ball bearings. 5 indicates thrust ball bearings. 6 indicates single row deep groove ball bearings. 6 indicates single row deep groove ball bearing. 7 indicates single row angular contact bearings, and NU or N indicates cylindrical roller bearings. So the first digit in the bearing designation indicates the bearing type. Since here it is written 6, so we are talking about single row deep groove ball bearing. Moving ahead, if we talk about the next digit, that is bearing series, then the number indicates 0, then it is extra light series, 2, then it is light series. So since here it is written 2, so it means light series. 3 means medium series, 4 means heavy series. Sometimes if bearing series are 2 digits, then its first number indicates code of width series and second digit indicates code of outer diameter series. Code of width series and code of outer diameter series when the bearing series is indicated by 2 digits. Here an example is shown. For example, if it is 30307, then we all have seen previously that the first digit in that bearing type, if it is 3, then it was a taper bearing. 0 is a code of width series. So this 0 is the code of width series. 3 is the code of outer diameter series, and 07 in the end. This 07 in the end, 7 into 5 indicates 35 mm, so it is the bore diameter. So second series is the bearing series, and this is how the bearings are designated. Moving on, coming on to the last 2 digits indicates the bore diameter. Bore diameter is the last 2 digits. So 01, then 01 indicates bore diameter 12. 02 indicates bore diameter 15 mm. 03 indicates bore diameter 17 mm. And 4 onwards, you have to multiply it by 5. So if here it is 10, this number is 10, then 10 into 5 is 50 mm, bore diameter is 50 mm. So 4 5s are 20 mm. If the number is 05, then 5 5s are 25 mm. If the number is 06, then 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35, and 10 I have already told you. So this is how the designation of rolling contact bearing happens. Let us see a few examples of how the bearings are designated. 6. We all have seen that 6 indicates deep groove ball bearings, DGBB, deep groove ball bearings. 0 series indicates the extra light series, and 00, the third number, then you have to multiply it by 10. So 00 is bore diameter 10 mm. Moving on, one more. 2, then it is self-aligning bearing. 3, then it is medium series. 02 is 15 mm. We have already said that 01 is 12 mm, 02 is 15 mm, 03 is 17 mm, and 4 onwards, whatever number it is, you have to multiply it by 10. So 230215 is actually, the 2302 bearing is actually self-aligning bearing with medium series and bore diameter 15 mm. 2302 self-aligning medium series with bore diameter 15 mm. Moving ahead. So designation of rolling contact bearings happens in this way. The first number indicates the bearing type. And we have already discussed this, that if it is number is 6, that it is ball bearing, deep groove ball bearing. The number is 2, then they are self-aligning bearings. Number 3, then they are double row angular contact bearings. So you will have to remember which number indicates which bearings. You have to properly understand that. If it is 30, 31, 32, then they are taper roller bearings, and NU2 indicates cylindrical roller bearings. The second number 0, 2, 3, 4 indicates extra light, light, medium, and heavy series. 00 indicates 10 mm diameter, bore diameter. 01 indicates 12 mm bore diameter. 2 indicates 15 mm bore diameter, 3 indicates 17 mm bore diameter, and 4 onwards you will have to multiply it by 5. So if the number is 7, then 7 5s are 35 mm bore diameter would be the answer. So this was all about designation of rolling contact bearings. Let us see one more example. If the bearing number is 6307, then you should understand that it is a deep groove ball bearing. 3 indicates medium series, and 7. So 7 5s are 35 mm bore diameter of the bearing. One more example, let us see on designation of rolling contact bearings. See, let's summarize this. Rolling contact bearing is usually designated by 3 or 4 digits. The meaning of each digit, you know that. The last 2 digits indicates the bore diameter of the bearing in mm, right? For example, 07, which is shown over here. So 7 5s are 35 mm is the bore diameter. Next, the third digit from right indicates the series of bearing. So if it is 7 0 and here the number is written 3, then it means it is the medium series. And further, if you see, X307 indicates the medium series bearing with a bore diameter of 35 mm, and the fourth digit, sometimes fifth digit from the right, specifies the type of rolling contact bearing. So since we are going from right, we are seeing the number from this. So XX07. So from right, these two numbers indicate bore diameter. This number from right, that is the third number from right, indicates the series, and fourth on and or fifth number will indicate the type of rolling contact bearing. For example, 6 indicates deep groove ball bearings. So this was all about the Designation of rolling contact bearings.